of the most rapidly increasing sources of diversity is globalization, which means that leaders are confronting diversity issues across a broader stage than ever before. For leaders interacting with people from other cultures, even something as seemingly simple as a handshake can be confusing. Leaders can get a handle on the challenges of global diversity by understanding the social-cultural environment and by developing a higher cultural intelligence quotient, that's a CQ, to know how to behave appropriately. The social and cultural differences may provide more potential for difficulties and conflicts than any other source. Cultural factors have created problems for leaders in some U.S. corporations trying to transfer their diversity policies and practices to European divisions. Policies designed to address diversity issues in the United States don't take into consideration the complex social and cultural systems in Europe. Foreign firms doing business in the United States face challenges understanding and dealing with diversity issues. Research done by Geert Hofstede on IBM employees in 40 countries discovered that mindset and cultural values on issues such as individualism versus collectivism strongly influence organizational and employee relationships in a very widely among cultures. Power distance, which is a high power distance, means people accept inequality in power among institutions, organizations, and individuals. Low power distance means people expect equality in power. Countries that value high power distance are Malaysia, the Philippines, and Panama. Countries that value low power distance include Denmark, Austria, and Israel. Uncertainty avoidance, which high uncertainty avoidance means that members of a society feel uncomfortable with uncertain and ambiguity, and thus support beliefs and behaviors that promise certainty and conformity. Low uncertainty avoidance means that people have a high tolerance for the unstructured, the unclear, and the unpredictable. High uncertainty avoidance cultures include Greece, Portugal, Uruguay. Singapore and Jamaica are two countries with low uncertainty avoidance values. Individualism reflects a value for a loosely knit social framework in which individuals are expected to take care of themselves. Countries with individualistic values include the United States, Great Britain, and Canada. Collectivism is a preference for a tightly knit social framework in which people look out for one another and organizations, and they protect their members' interests. Countries with collectivist values are Guatemala, Ecuador, and Panama. Masculinity reflects a preference for achievement, heroism, assertiveness, work centrally, and material success. Femininity reflects the values of relationships, cooperation, group decision-making, and quality of life. Mexico, Japan, and Austria are countries with strong masculine values. Countries with strong feminine values include Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and the former Yugoslavia. How leaders handle cultural differences can have a tremendous impact on the satisfaction and effectiveness of diverse employees.